you know. Here's the song. We have a song to sing to you called Bus Driver. Yeah. Miss Bev. Bus Driver. Yeah. Okay, ready, set, go. Milo, get out! Sit! Sit down! Good. Stay. Good boy, Milo. Okay. Shout it out. Oh. Somebody call 911. Miss Bevy's gonna kill us on the bus ride. Oh, whoa. She's gonna wreck us down till they bring the bus to ground on the bus ride. Oh, whoa. That's really all we have. But we lived and she died. Yay! Woo! Woo! Okay. No! Alright. Enjoy these videos. Watch stupid people and the ugly fat bus driver that smokes marijuana. Sorry. I had to have that. We really don't know if that's true, but we know she smokes. I'm sorry, but give me